Welcome back to the channel. Oh my God. Okay. We got a long pouring, baby. Perfect. Oh! Take that big two-strike. Hey! We got a car cover that we have had for a while. So, all right. I guess probably a few people have maybe been curious about what's been going on with Club Big Boost. Believe it or not, I have worked on this car a little bit. So I'm going to show you some of the stuff that we did. We're going to cold start it. I haven't started it since, I think I ran it Saturday a little bit, but it does run now. So we've got the wiring not done. Let me just show you what we've done. Nothing spectacular. Okay, first things first, the whole car's hand puppet. Hey. The whole car's black now. I didn't like the blue and black mix, so I just rattle canned the whole thing black, and I like it like that. So that's all that matters. The wiring is pretty much done. We're going to reroute some stuff from the headlights. This is for the electric fan. We just had it all so we could start it up. We're going to do that a little bit differently and things like that. We do have it where everything functions. The only thing we still have to do is we have to finish doing the brake lines and the line lock, but the car runs and everything like that. So what's up, Cheese Puff? Inside the car, it is a mess. I haven't pulled any of the tools out or anything like that. So we've got this is what we decided to do in lieu of a dash. I've got some stuff coming to some wire sleeve to cover that up. None of this is pulled up tight. It's all basically rough run, and so I could get it going, make sure everything was okay. This is a box from Amazon, just like an electrical box, and we drilled some holes in it, and we got tack, shift light. Our Equus vacuum boost gauge took a dump, so I got a new to me one off of eBay. It's not a vacuum gauge, which I don't care about. It's just a boost gauge. And then eventually I'm going to change the water, and I don't like the white in here now. It's too much. We got starter button, and then we've got ignition, fuel pump, water pump, fan, interior, parking, and headlights. We've got our boost timing retard for the boost. We've got our two-step selector. We've got our steering wheel. We put our race column in. Oh, there we go. We've got our line lock button, and then of course we got the shifter and everything like that. So we've got all that done. All this has been done. So air fuel, blah 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 blah. So we gotta obviously trim some zip tie stuff up, like I say, put the sleeving on and cover it up to an extent, but it all works, and that's all that really matters. So let me go get the battery, and we'll cold start it. He is stone cold. Stone cold. So I'm gonna turn the power on. Now we haven't got the carburetor all dialed in yet or anything like that. We've been working on it a little bit, and so let's power on. Out of gear. Ignition. Fuel. guess that'll do, pig. My neighbors probably absolutely love me. All right. So we got to do a bunch of cleanup, like on the wiring and stuff, and then we got to cut the hood for all this junk to fit under it. Now you'll notice we've got a 1/2-inch phenolic spacer, and then we've got a 2-inch spacer on top of the carb, and we've also got the vent tubes run out to about right here. I could make them longer if I wanted to. This also is an annular discharge main body. The one thing I did do is I pulled the boost reference power valve out. We just don't really make that much power. This thing's, you know, this thing's probably going to make, I don't know, 450 maybe, something like that, on a good day. So we don't really need the boost reference power valve. I put a regular high flow. I just put a 6.5 in. That's what I had. So we put a regular high flow power valve in. We've also got 77s in the front and 85s in the back, and the secondary power valve is blocked. The problem I was having with tip in, it was just basically not enough squirter. I had 35s in it, and I went to 42s, and that seemed to have cleaned, because it had a nasty dead spot. I mean, even when it was, you know, running and hot and everything was good, it had a pretty funky dead spot in it when you would first tip into the throttle. Just didn't have enough squirter shot. I thought about going to 50 cc's on these, but I just, at the power level I'm at, I don't really need that. It's also got 130 needle and seat in it versus the standard 110s. I could have went to 150s. I just decided I may end up going to 150s just to see. The fuel pressure regulator does work when I'm on the two-step, and that was like 3,400 on two-step. Fuel pressure's rising, and I was seeing on the two-step, I was seeing like 5 pounds of boost. So that all sounds pretty sweet. Alternator's charging like it's supposed to. So all in all, so far we're you know, we're making progress. But the carburetor, honestly, the carburetor has been fighting me a little bit. I don't ever really have to, knock on wood, I don't ever have to touch the one in Trojan, and I don't ever have to touch the one hardly in the FLTD. But this one, I've always had to mess with a little bit. So maybe we finally, it's stupid stuff. And it could be that it's getting trash in it from the lines getting cleared out and everything like that. So we got to do some stuff on the securing the fuel lines and things, but we're getting so much closer to just being able, I just want to drive it. I mean, I just want to drive it and get on it a little bit and see what we're working with here. I also realistically need to retorque the head studs, but damn it, man, that's a lot of work too, taking everything off to get to them. So I don't know. Anyway, that's the update. A little update on the boost in a bag, and you saw it run, cold started, and actually, like I say, I got the mixture screws. Not where you ideally want to run them, but I don't care as long as it runs. Idles the way it's supposed to and does that. I don't care what the only supposed to go this much. I don't care about any of that. If it runs and works, that's good enough for me. One of the next things that we'll try and also do is I have to have Therese out here. We'll try and put it on the two-step and see if it's retarding the timing like it's supposed to. As you can tell, we have the lines for the blow off. We have a line, this goes inside to the boost gauge and tees off to the 6 BTM. So what can I say? We're working on it. I guess that's it. I know this ain't really a big thing, but anyway, like I say, the car's all black. You saw it's a mess right now. So anyway, whatever. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. We couldn't do it without you, and we wouldn't want to. And to point some of that out, Jason, Don, Fuel Pump, Jason, 6BTM, Eric, not Eric Mitchner, but Eric, I won't say his last name, but he's on the channel. Eric gave us that, or loaned us that 6BTM. So we're actually using it like it's supposed to. So I'm sure I'm missing something on the car that came from you guys besides the parts we buy from our little bit of YouTube money that we make. But like I say, we couldn't do it without you. We certainly would want to. Again, these parts that you guys gave me helped expedite the project a little bit. So we're going to get it going and then figure out where we're going to make a pass at, I guess, Mobile. So anyway, especially thanks for watching. And until next time on the Substandard Leader and Fox Body videos on this here man's YouTube, 1 year, single plane, 5-speed, push rod 5.0 Lincoln Town Cars, 4 drag vans, proud owner, proprietor, coat checker, pole dancer, drink mixer, DJ mix master of Club Big Boost. And as always, fighting a good fight against them zombie Mustangs and that rascal Dr. Fear. We'll see you guys in the next video.